So what's the dragon sound like?
Like this. I feel like that's a pretty good dragon.
That was terrible.
That's fine.
No.
Gay dragon. So we're still going on Dave's Navigator here, getting the floor put in, wheel tubs. So with this truck being aluminum, we have to build the floor, tubs, drive shaft, tunnel, everything else out of aluminum. And in doing so, we purchased a new pulse welder that will, it's basically a MIG welder for aluminum instead of a spool gun. So it's been a few days of learning how to use it as well. Works around, the puddle changes, so you have to basically, it's almost like MIG welding, a half inch behind where you're actually watching back there.
Oh God.
That's probably hot as Got a pair of side cutters. Somewhere.
Is that what he says when he looks in the mirror?
Hmm?
Is that what he says when he looks in the mirror?
Oh God.
Yeah, what?
Oh, the oh God?
It's definitely what his wife said.
No, she just wakes up and says, not again.
Sounds funny.
I hope he remembers rule 1 applies.
Don't freak up.
Holy shit, that looks like ass!
What are you doing?
I didn't see anything that was happening there.
Zoom in on that.
No, don't.
Making the inner rock guard and having to form it on the English wheel. As you can see, this panel is not perfectly flat. We got to try to contour to the body. It comes out this way, so I'm having to put a pretty good bow in it, while at the same time keeping that edge that meets the wheel tub flat. It's coming along pretty good though. It's just metal. Spent quite a bit of yesterday building an inner rock guard for one of the wheel tubs. It's the panel that basically skirts the outside body of the truck. It basically helps seal the cabin from the road so you don't get any moisture, dirt, fumes, nothing like that. Being an SUV is probably pretty important that we have that. Dave will be here in 2 days. He's flying up with his daughter to take a look at this and probably just give us some hard times, really. I mean, it's really all he's coming for, is to give us a hard time.
You better be bringing Rolexes for all of us.
Ooh, yes. I think he did say he was bringing watches for all of us. So that'd be nice.
good. That was a good one. What'd you do to our bucket?
It's
That bucket is trashed. Trash? No, like it's trash. Hey, have we checked to see if the fucking headlight will even fit in here?
Yes.
Okay. This flux capacitor on the back of the headlight is in the way, is posing a problem to our tire. So we're gonna, I don't think we need this flux capacitor, so we're just gonna throw it away.
I'm pretty sure that's a transmodulator. That's the flux capacitor.
Oh, okay, my bad. Flux capacitor, transmodulator. So we're gonna cut some brackets off of this probably $2,500 headlight.
See the problem.
That's gotta go in there.
We're hitting right back here. Frankie's not filming this at all.
Oh, do I need to be up in
Get
there?
into the housing too.
I don't wanna hear that.
There's tire there.
All that right there.
Well, let's cut this off and see where we're at. Let's start there.
One little titty at a time.
The headlights, we've ran into a small problem this morning on those. The tire actually is going to be in the headlight a good bit. So we're probably going to have to do a little modification on the back end of it. Move a plug over, plastic weld some stuff back together. Just I mean, we got to make it work. It's got to happen one way or another. So what we're doing here is we're getting the firewall tubs put in the Navigator. The only part of this truck that's still steel is the actual firewall itself. That being said though, still the whole A-pillar structure, floor, the cowl, that's all still aluminum. So we're lucky enough that we can weld a steel tub into this, but here on the side we have to attach it. We basically got a 12-inch seam where that steel meets aluminum. So what we do is we weld basically a 1-inch flange on here, and then we will go ahead and rivet it together, kind of like factory does with all their rivets. Seam seal it, undercoat it. That's how we do that.
How's it going? My name's Dave Schulman. This is my 2019 Lincoln Navigator. Getting cut up. Kind of scary, but I think these guys kind of know what they're doing.
Oh, hey! I brought food! Oh, we ate some, but they won't care. Jake? Man, he's actually working? Let's go see. Oh man, look at that thing! Damn! Kyle! What's up?
A whole lot.
I don't know if you ever met Madison or not.
I remember last time.
Yeah. Man. 2 weeks, right? Less than 2 weeks.
We'll be sitting in Phoenix in 2 weeks.
Oh, looks awesome. It's my second time around here, so I told him, I said, you know, first time around with the dually, I made a kind of a deal with Jake. I kind of said, you know, don't mess up and don't turn this into a paperweight, otherwise that'll be the least of your problems, because, you know, I was real concerned about taking a brand new platinum truck at that time, cutting it up. And then here I go doing it again, even bigger with this one, so.
On Willwood.
Okay. Man, what a difference this thing, like. It's pretty interesting to see videos and pictures come online and stuff as it gets built. All my friends are like, oh man, you must have, you know, known about this or that or what they're doing. I was like, I'm seeing it for the first time just like you are. So it's real eye-opening seeing it in person, seeing the quality of the work and everything that they're doing. Those wheels came out awesome. Love them. Oh Lord! Jake actually working somewhere?
Hi. Hi. How are you? Good to
man.
see you.
Yeah.
I didn't know y'all was coming at me so soon. Y'all should have warned it, brother.
Well, you know. So it's real eye-opening seeing it in person, seeing the quality of the work and everything that they're doing. And looking forward to SEMA is coming up in less than 2 weeks. He was already talking about the schedule and everything, and I don't know, kind of scary, but I guess he always gets it done. So good thing for that peanut butter and chocolate milk, because they're gonna need it. I'm just looking for beds around here to see if they got, so they can sleep here and stuff too, so they can get it finished. But it should be fun. I'm looking forward to it. I figured you'd be sitting up there playing on the computer or something, YouTube or some shit.
Oh, usually.
Yeah,
Playing some solitaire.
nice.
What's the dragon sound like?
Hey. He said ringer.
Like a cat?
You sound like an electric motor that doesn't move. Like it's low on battery. You sound like a drill when it's about to give up. Sounded like your mama last night, Trebek.
The day is mine.
Make sure you
I think the only thing I would probably bet would be no bill.
no bill against your hair.
No bill against my hair. No. We haven't even seen the bill yet.
Hey, Jake, I'm just going to let you know that's not a very good financial decision.
No, it's not.
Yeah.
but to see Dave run was amazing. He's like, oh. You want to bite? Dude, I really wish we had boxing gloves. I would, man, there's so many days I'd just love to go out back with some boxing gloves, just like get out some anger. Would you do that?
Did you just do the bukkake?
You won't fight?
You just did the bukkake.
That's just an energy button, fight for air.
That's bukkake.
So anyway, we got the new Navigator here. I don't know, 14 miles on it, and Jake's cutting the shit out of it. So I don't know. I guess I need some mental help or something.
Don't blame me. Kyle's been cutting the majority of it.
He did. He did, and he's welding it. He's actually putting it back together too. At least someone is. Doing a good job, Kyle. Yeah. Yeah.